Very good evening to all. This is Dr. Chandramouli. Today we are going to discuss about a very good topic, emotional intelligence in Tirukkural. In my previous videos, we had discussed more about different management concepts in Tirukkural, like leadership, motivation, decision making, and few. Likewise, today we are going to talk about the emotional intelligence in Tirukkural. Emotional intelligence means what? People living in a stressful environment, they always have these emotions. Most of the people taking any decisions at the time of emotions will end with negative solution. How we have to control our emotional, how we have to keep away from the stressful environment, how we have to face the environment even at the time of emotions. These are all the various concepts given by Thiruvalluvar in Tirukkural in a different kurals. Today we are going to discuss about the emotional intelligence has been given by Thiruvalluvar in Tirukkural for more than 6 kurals. He wrote about the lot of things about the human life skill, mainly on how to manage the senses, emotions, as well as the consequences, how we have to maintain the consequences, and how we have to face our failure to manage our emotions and senses. He discussed about lot of things. What he had discussed, Kural number 7, he had told about Tanakomai Illadan Tal Serndar Kallal Manakkavalai Matral Aridu. He told about this particular one. Tanakomai Illadan Tal Serndar Kallal Manakkavalai Matral Aridu. What is the explanation he had given in this particular Kural? In order to reduce our anxiety and worries, we should meditate ourselves. We have to meditate ourselves. When we are in high stress, we have to keep silence. We should not talk. We should not speaking to someone. We are supposed to keep the calm environment, and we have to be quiet in a room or in your place or in your home, or otherwise we have a good sleep. If you are in high emotions, obviously what we will do, we try to talk someone, obviously the bad words will come. That will affect the whole environment. In order to reduce our anxiety and worries, we should meditate. Always we have to meditate. Continuously, that is very important. Continuous meditation is always help the people to come out from the stress. Today I feel so stressed, I went to meditation, I can't control my stress. That will not help you. If you want to do any practice, continuously you have to do at least for the 21 days. There is psychologically it was proved by the researchers. If you want to do anything, if you want to control, we are supposed to control continuous for the 21 days. Within 21 days, we can able to control any problem in our body. If you are practicing or if you are diverting the problem from the stress environment, we should continue for 21 days. Even meditation, even going for yoga, even going for exercise, we have to do at least continuously for 21 days. If you continuously doing that, and we have to think something which is what we call them as an almighty, someone may think about the God. Based upon the religious, they can think about the God. Close your eyes and meditate for the few hours. That's why Manakkavalai Matral Aridu. That is clear. Be calm and get rid for the unnecessary words. If you are high BP, if you are in high tension, control yourself, don't talk. If you talk, definitely the words will come in a bad. Obviously, that will affect the opponent. So we have to control. This explanation given by Thiruvalluvar in the Kural number 7. The next Kural, here discuss about more. What is that? Another Kural. Normally we discuss the same thing in the various Kural. The Oru Namyul Amai Pol Aindadakkal Atin Yedunamyum Yema Pudaitu in the Kural number 126. He is giving a good information. We can get we can source a more number of sources from this particular Kural to how to control our stress. If you are able to control our 5 senses, basically, how we act or react. 5 senses, Aimbulangal, you know very well Aimbulangal, how we can react. If you are able to control our 5 senses, Orunamyul Amaipol Aindadakkal means Aimpulangalim Adakkuvathu. When we are controlling the 5 senses, we will have a smooth journey in our life. We will have a smooth journey in our life, and at the same time that will give the bright future. The people have to control ourselves. If you are not able to control our five senses, how we can control others? How we can control the stress? How we can control the emotions? That will be a very big question mark. So we have to control our five senses. This particular couplet, mainly from the choral number 126, எழுநம்யும் ஏமா புடைத்து ஐந்தடக்கல் ஆற்றின் எழுநம்யும் ஏமா புடைத்து, we can control, we can smooth the journey in our future life. This particular choral has given about the emotional stability. Choral number 121, that is also telling about the same thing. Most of the students, we had studied about this particular choral at the class 12 or class 10. We will mug up this for the examination point of view, but we don't know the exact meaning. Somewhat I am telling. What is a choral? No, everyone know this choral often. Adakkam amararul uikkum adangamai aarirul uithuvidum. What is it? What's the explanation of this choral? You know, self-control will place a person or a man among the God that want of will drive into the thickest darkness. Adakkam amararul uikkum adangamal aarirul uithuvidum. What is the explanation? No, when we are controlling ourselves, adakam means we have to control ourselves. Self-control is very important. When we self-control, we can able to control the whole country. The person who is taking care of the whole company, the person who is taking care of the whole organization, the person who is taking care of the whole world, they should have the control. Until you self-control, how you can able to control the people, or how you can able to control the other things. So self-control is very important. Adakkam amarurul uikkum adangamai aarirul uithuvidum. Next choral. This choral is also like the same choral we had discussed. We learn from the class 12 onwards. Most of the students, even the small kids also, now they have mucked up this choral. See how we are focusing 100% on the Tirukkural, because lot of things is there. This choral is also the same. Choral number 127. Yahava rainum nakaka காவாக்கால் சோகாப்பர் சொல்லிழுக்கப்பட்டு. So the person has to control the tongue first. If you split up any words before at the time of emotions, people never think about the situation. People keep mind on the words what you harshly scolded the words. That words is clearly mentioned and it will become a scare for the opponent. That won't change. There's no chance of getting a good response from the respondents. So Yahava Rainum, whoever it may be, Yahava Rainum, whoever it may be, Nakaka, control our tongue, Kavakal, or otherwise, we will go for the consequent misery in our life. That is the explanation given by Thiruvalluvar. What is that? No, whatever besides you leave unguarded, guard your tongue. God means control your tongue even in your emotional time. That stability make your life, uplift your life or escalate your life to the next level. Otherwise, errors of the speech, some harsh word will come out. That word will be registered by the opponent person. That will be the major evidence for the people to control, to misconnect with you for the future level. That is very important. So whatever besides you leave unguarded, guard your tongue, or otherwise errors of the speech will come and the consequent misery we have to face at the end are the opponents. That is very important on this particular one. Another choral is that. That choral is also most of the people cross this particular choral in the childhoods. Theenar suttapun ul aarum aarade naminar suttavadu. Same, the previous choral and this one is consequently same, but little bit some meaning has been differ. What is that? You know, when the wound which has been burned from the fire, when we applying some medicines or when we are applying some ointment, it will be cured. Even the scar will be there, later on the scar also gone out. But when you are telling something towards a tongue, that will be the very big scar. There is no such ointment or any medicinal thing is there to control the scar or remove the scar. That is very important. Theenar suttapun, when your hand or when your body or your skin are burned by fire accident, ul aarum, it may be change, it will be cure. Arade, if you are talking something bad words at the time of emotion to the people, that scar will never disappear. That is the explanation given. What do you know? If you are not able to control all our five senses, then the least we should do is for the control what we speak. Normally the people, if a high BP, the people always lose the words. They will tell lot of bad words before the people. That will affect the opponent. Whatever the mistakes did by the opponent, that will not register. At the time of emotion, what words you express, that words will be registered. ஸோ தீயினார் சுட்ட புண் உள் ஆறும் ஆறாது. வாட் யூ ஆர் ஸ்பீக்கிங், நாவினார் சுட்ட வடு. Vadu means a scare. That scare never gone out. The last kural I am going to tell about the emotional intelligence from the same Tirukkural. What is that? No, in the Kural number 307. Sinathai பொருள் என்று கொண்டவன் கேடு நிலைத்தரைத்தான் கைப்பிழியாதற்று. Sinam means what? What we call them as an emotion. கோபம். Sinam means anger. Sinam. What is the translation given by the Thiruvalur for this? I have to tell the explanation about this. Destruction will come up him who regards anger as a good thing. Anger is a very good thing. At the same time, as surely as the hand of him who strikes the ground will not fail. What is that? No, what is the explanation is that if you have the habit of being angry, if you are in a habit of angry, always the people, this guy is always a high BP person, always lost his emotions. That is a bad impression over, a bad attitude for the character. We are going suffer and continuously feel that pain. Sinathai பொருள் என்று கொண்டவன். The people think about that particular emotion is one of the sense. Obviously that will go for the wrong, or it will always giving a bad result. So சினத்தை பொருள் என்று கொண்டவன் கேடு நிலத்தரையான் கைப்பிழியாதற்று. What is the explanation he has given? No, we are going suffer when you keep that anger or emotional in your body continuously often. What will happen? People never talk to you. The society will never give respect to you. You never have the image in the society. Obviously that will go in that. So these are all the Kural giving a clear explanation about the emotional stability. What is the conclusion of this particular, all these Kural, is just a recommendation for you. When you feel high stress, please come out from the environment. When you feel high emotions, even if you are not able to control your emotions, just sit before a God. If you are a very good person praying God regularly, sit before the God and control yourself. Think about the God. If again the stress is continued, try to divert by going for the different habits. Hear a song, or talking to someone, play with your kids, or go for cricket, or going to ground and play some games, or just close your eyes, go for sleep, or go for meditation, go for yoga. We have a lot of things is there, but we always focusing on, we think about that. This is a problem in your hand. If you keep on hold the problem in your hand, obviously what will happen? The problem always disturbing you. Just throw that problem, or throw that emotion, or throw that stress somewhere. Obviously your hand will be free. You never think about that. Don't take and carry the problem in your hand. This is the best recommendation I can give it to you. Please avoid emotions, come out from the stress, enjoy your life, wish you a happy life. Thank you very much, and thanks for your cooperation. Please subscribe this channel. If you like this channel, please share it to your friends and other things. We will see in another topic, another occasion, in a different topic. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for your cooperation. Thank you.